Merry Christmas, everyone. It's Pastor Michelle here. We're just listening to the bells ringing. So, Merry Christmas. I'm going to show you the window that's lit up right over here. So, hold on just 1 second. Each night we've had this lit up. It's so beautiful. Well, I wanted to bring you a little bit of St. Paul. Bill's taking care of the bells, so I just wanted to do a video, live video. So lots of love to all of you. Merry Christmas. And we look forward to bringing Christ's light into the world in 2021. Merry Christmas, everybody.